Alright, so we have this weird noise coming from here, right from here. You can grease as much as you want, you can put the grease as much as you want in it, it's not gonna help. What I found in this machine, this thing just was damaged, broken. Why? Just because it stopped spinning, and it stopped spinning just because the gears in this gearbox broken. Now this part spins free. I put the new one in it. It's not spinning at all. It's stuck. It's stuck. What it means everything in there, maybe not everything, maybe just one or two pieces. The gears are busted. Well, gonna try to open this one, take this one off, take that cover. We'll see what we're gonna find in it.